Attachments. My name is Jarrett. This is Caleb out here. And everybody follow him on Instagram, Z.
Yeah, Zoe_300ZX_1995.
Boom.
Mouthful.
So, yeah, it's a mouthful, but y'all saw it. Y'all saw it. So anyways, today we're going to show you exactly how we installed the strut bar, the rear strut bar. And we already installed it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you know what?
No one's done a video on this, so we're going to cover it. I mean, it's really easy. You don't really need to see.
Right.
What's
So
going on.
it's basically very simple. If you have the right tools, you have the right, like at least 2 people would be the best thing for it. You can do this with 1 person, but I prefer doing it with 2. Just I feel like it's safer. But so basically, step number 1: have your 12 millimeter socket with your ratcheting wrench, and then have a jack, a piece of wood to put onto your jack whenever you lift up through the differential. So you're going to put the jack under the diff, then you're going to lift it up after you take out these bolts or these nuts. Okay, you don't want to lift it up too much. You just slowly lift it up until you could barely slide this bar on. And as soon as you can slide the bar on, it's going to be able to move a little bit. Make sure you're all centered. Put these back on, but don't tighten it down until you drop the car on the ground. Drop the car on the ground, then you tighten it up to 13 foot-pounds of pressure. It's not much, so do not overdo it. You will break either the stud or the nut, and it's more of a pain in the butt to try to get that off.
Also talk about, you can get this on Concept Z Performance. They have like everything for like Z cars. I think it was like around like $200.
So yeah,
around there.
$200. It's TIG welded. I believe it's aluminum, right? It's very lightweight, so I assumed it's aluminum. But yeah, TIG welded. It's not MIG welded because you can't MIG weld aluminum. And so basically that tells you that it's good quality. It's burnt through correctly. It's welded correctly, and the welds aren't too bad. I mean, they're not the best in the world, but it'll do the job. So anyways, it's structurally sound. It does a good job. This stuff came in here as well. It's just, I don't know, stickers for the strut bar template, and then some like, I don't even think this is a vacuum hose, but it kind of looks similar to one. I don't.
It could have just been something I may have just put in there and just didn't even know about it.
Yeah, I mean the instructions said something about it.
Actually, the
but
instructions had pictures of it. So
yeah.
it came
So
with, but
I mean, guys, you don't need this. You don't need it. Like, I think the only reason why that they would do it is because you would need to cut this in half, use it to as a buffer so you don't cut yourself on it or anything. But other than that, I don't really think it's needed.
Yeah.
But and then after you're done with all of this, put these back on. Boom, you're done. So this will keep all the moisture out of your strut area, so you don't actually rust anything, and it's just cleaner. So anyways, guys, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Have a nice day.